y'all. So I wanted to show you guys how to make the pure whipped shampoo. Now we have never offered a pure whipped shampoo. We have a liquid version that we're going to be bringing back for the end of year sale, but we're also going to be offering this one. However, if you've been following us, you know that we own the Purple Bubble, which is our wholesale line where you can purchase our bases and actually make different products for yourself. So we're going to show you today how we make the pure whipped shampoo. We're going to show you ingredient by ingredient and tell you a little bit about each ingredient to let you know how great of a product it is. Pure was designed for the natural who has extreme dry scalp, who needs more herbal or medicinal properties to encourage their scalp to be healthy and to give it that cleansing feel all over, and with the scalp feeling refreshed. So we'll show you. Stay tuned. Oh, y'all want to know why I'm sitting here with this cap? Doing some deep conditioning. This is with a new product that I'll be releasing for end of year sale. I'm fucking obsessed with it already. I think y'all are gonna love this one. It's something totally different, something completely new. I think y'all will love it, so stay tuned for that too. Okay guys, start with your unscented whipped lather base, which you can get on Tangles and Beyond. Here I'm adding African black soap, which is known to heal eczema, psoriasis, soothe irritated scalp. Next I'm adding activated charcoal, which is known to trap toxins and remove them from the hair and scalp. Then I'm adding tea tree oil, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. And peppermint oil, which is known for its cooling effect on irritated skin. And bentonite clay, which absorbs negatively charged toxins and detoxify your hair and scalp. Now you'll mix all of those ingredients together evenly and smoothly until you have a completely covered batch of lather. And then you'll just put it in a 16-ounce jar or an 8-ounce jar, whatever size jar you have, for preserving. Next, if you were going to sell this product, which is totally doable, that is what the Purple Bubble is all about. If you are ready to start your own business, it's so easy to use our bases to make your own handcrafted products. This is how we would make a label. This is how I make the labels for all my products. I order my labels from onlinelabels.com, and they have an in-house service called Maestro that allows you to make your own label. So you can upload your logo images and add to the size label that you want. You can play around with the sizes. You can add different type of fonts. And on your label, you want to make sure that you include all of the necessary information, such as all of the ingredients listed from the amount of each ingredient that's in the product to the end. And then you want to give a brief description of what the product does, along with adding the size of your product and the full name, and always adding at the bottom or on the side where your products are made. And this is how a completed logo on a label looks. Then we'll print it out on a laser printer. I print mine on on an HP, and it gives me a nice crisp, clear label. Now these labels are not waterproof. You guys who have ordered from me know that they're supposed to be, but they aren't. They don't last very long in the shower. So I would go with the weatherproof laser polyester label that online labels offer if you were wanting to have a completely waterproof label. And once you put your label on, then you have a finished product, and now you can put it up for sale on your website or sell it at markets, anything you want to do with it, or give it away as gifts. Always, natural products make a great gift. So I'm going to show you how this works in the shower. Okay, starting with dry, disgusting hair, like mine. My hair is about a week old now. I hate to say that I've gotten so horrible about doing my regimen like I should. So now that I have a bunch of new products coming out, I'll be definitely showing you guys more of my hair and how I care for it. So you want to start with the section. I like to start with the front and scrubbing the scalp really well with it, because that's typically what this product is for a really nasty scalp. I can't say that I have the worst scalp problems, but I have met customers, and when I had my salon, I had lots of clients who had psoriasis of the scalp, and this product worked really well for them, really nourishing their scalp to the point where they didn't have to use any type of antibiotic creams and medicated shampoos. I mean, it was able to help clear up those type of issues of the dry scalp. Dandruff, that's another one that this product is excellent for. So if you have dry scalp, I suggest you try this. Starting on the back now, I'm just going to massage it into my scalp, massage it into the hair, and allow the whipped lather and all the moisture in it to penetrate my strands and help break it up. If you are using a shampoo that is not helping you detangle, you're using the wrong one. So try and see what happens. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. What do y'all want to see next? Comment below.